let me know if you would like to need some deeper assistance from me, such as proper ways for service as per the course wise, like silver service, American service, Garden service, etc., etc., or you need to learn some SOP detailing. I am happy to help you for hotel management learning journey. Very good evening, everyone. This is Manas from the hospitality desk. So today we'll talk about 10 important phases about food and beverage service. So in hospitality industry, there is few phases which is very much important in hotel and restaurant management training. The first is your preparation. What preparation you are taking before your meal started. Okay, before you're starting the operation, either your table is ready properly, your side dish is ready with extra mise en place. Okay, and you have to conduct pre-service meeting. That's a briefing. We used to do, everyone know that, but you should not miss that. Each and every meal period before starting, you should do the briefing. Next is greet the guest. Welcome the guest promptly. Allow the guest to come inside. Use 15/5 rules. Escort the guest. Make the guest comfortable. Next is sitting the guest. Alright. Sitting the guest, you should sit guest courteously. Present the menu with beverage menu. You have to present the beverage menu first and they take the order. Okay. And give the time actually to the guest settle. You should not immediately go and take the order. Next is drink service. Put the water. Okay, take the beverage order. Okay, and serve the beverages on time. All right. Next is a bread service. Okay, offer fresh bread with butter and other condiments, served before or along with the first course breads. Okay. Next is taking order. You should keep the eye contact with the guest. Whenever guest will be ready to give the order, you must attend the guest. Otherwise, guest will say, "Excuse me." Then you are failed. You have to suggest the dishes, the local delicates. You have to note down all the order with perfection description, and you have to repeat the order. Next is serving the meal. Present the plate courteously. Before food coming, just place the plate on the table. Don't bring the food and plate both together. Okay? After they finish the food, either it is main course or starter, clear the plate. Okay? As per the course wise, from the right hand side. Alright. After clearing all the plates from the table, you ensure nothing will be there apart from the water goblet and the napkin and the drink glasses. Everything you can clear, including the cruet set from the table. After that, you can offer the guest for tea and coffee. Post-meal offer, tea and coffee is more important. Okay, it will enhance the course of the dining experiences. The next is point number 9, guest departure, which is more important. Provide the bill on request. Don't pretend the guest is finished the meal means immediately you appear with the bill. No, it's wrong. You should wait guest to call for the bill. Escort guest out. While payment is done, guest is going out from your restaurant, just escort the guest. Thanking them sincerely. Do the show off by doing the thanking them. Point number 10, after service. Conduct a post-service briefing. Clean and reset dining area and the side station. prepare for next service or next meal. All are things, 10 phases is there for F&B service training. Why these phases are matter for food and beverage service department? So this will structure all the steps from preparation to farewell, to guest coming to a restaurant to see up to the guest. All the steps we have to ensure smooth, consistent and high quality of service, often summarized by the mantra. What is the mantra? The mantra is 5P. Proper preparation, prevent poor performance. You must remember this 5P. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. Alright, it will help you to give you high quality service to the guest. This guide is very important for every staff member who is working in food and beverage service department. Okay, the member on what to do and when you have to do that, it will help you to learn. It will helping create experience to the guest and different back of house operation. Okay, so let me know if you would like to need some deeper assistance from me, such as proper ways for service as per the course wise, like silver service, American service, Gurjar service, etc., etc., or you need to learn some SOP detailing. I am happy to help you for hotel management learning journey, your journey. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.